Hi, I'm Jeff Scott from Sussex Installations. Today's video is a little update for this Ford software, this Ford Custom saga. So that if you're the owner of a Ford Custom and you've been through this whole, am I eligible for a Ford software update or not? This customer's been told he's not on the list, but he knows he should be. He's done my test, and if I do it now, the van's been locked for longer than a minute. If I turn this into the unlock position twice, I just heard the back of the van unlock. So he's been told he's not eligible for a software update. Yeah, there he is, van door wide open, ready, you know, for the thieves to try and take his tools or his cargo. So I think that's kind of crazy. On top of that, he's actually got an aftermarket alarm fitted. So he's done all the right things. He's paid out for an alarm. He's been in touch with Ford, yet his alarm is deactivating off the barrel as well. So that's crazy. So the alarm should not deactivate from your driver's door barrel. If it's a Ford alarm, you don't want it deactivating. If it's an aftermarket alarm, you don't want it deactivating. This needs to be sorted. You don't want the back of the van to be unlocked from the driver's door barrel, and you do not want your alarm to turn off from that driver's door barrel. So please go and do a check on your Ford Custom now. Lock the van, wait, double lock it from the remote control. Wait for longer than 2 minutes. Go to your van, turn it into the unlock position here. Go twice, like that. And also, just to be a bit more thorough on the test, open up the driver's door, press the unlock button like 10 times. If the back of your van is unlocked, if your alarm has deactivated, then you've got a problem. Your van is not secure. That needs to be looked at, whether that's being looked at by Ford, whether it's going back to your aftermarket alarm fitter and tell him, hey, fit up my alarm in a way that's more secure because this isn't acceptable, or whether it's getting in touch with us so we can do something about it. Whichever way, you know, get in touch, get it sorted, get your van secure, probably add an extra layer of security in the form of physical deadlocks to your van too while you're at it. Thanks for watching. Website address www.sussexinstallations.co.uk.